Hello class 9 students. Chapter 2 Polynomials based on algebraic identities from exercise 2.5. Some of the questions I'll teach you. Question number B, number 1, 4. Y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. You can observe both the first term are same, both are y square. Even second number also same, 3 by 2. One is positive, one is negative. So you can apply this formula a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Your first one is a, second one is b. A plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square, that is y square full bracket and whole square minus 3 by 2 complete bracket and whole square. Since they are double power, you can make it 2 to the 4, that is y to the power 4 minus 3 square 9, 2 square 4. This is the answer to this based on this formula. Again, next question also same formula, a minus b, a plus b. First minus, second plus, doesn't matter. Looks like a minus b model, that is 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x. A minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. A is 3, so 3 whole square minus 2x whole square, 9 minus 4x square is the answer to this. Now question number 2. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. Question number 1. 103 into 107. Direct multiplication is not possible. We need to apply the formula. So we will target x plus a into x plus b formula, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. In this formula, both the first term is same. Yeah, both are same. That is x only. And in place of a and b, some sort of numbers will be available, whatever it may be. So let us break 103 with the help of nearest round figure. Round figure means 100, 1000, 10, 20. These are all round figure. So 103 we are breaking by 100 plus 3. By 100 you broke this. So second one also you should break by 100 only. So 100 plus 7. One is 100 plus 3, one is 100 plus 7. So looks like x plus a into x plus b model. So here x is 100. You can select outside. A is 3, b is 7. So formula x square, that is 100 whole square, because x is here 100. So better to do this rough work. So 100 whole square plus a plus b, a is 3, b is 7. So 3 plus 7 into 100 plus a into b, that is 3 into 7. 100 square is 10,000. 3 plus 7 is 10 into 100 plus 21. 10,000 plus this multiplication is 1000 plus 21. All together you can add this. Your answer is coming 11021. Now second question also same way we can start. 95 into 96. Same formula will be utilizing. So 95 nearest round figure is 100. So 100 minus 5 you can break. Then 96 also let us break by 100 only. Both the numbers will be broken by the same number. So 100 minus 4. So x is your 100 because both the first numbers are matching. A is minus 5, b is minus 4. So same formula will be using x plus a, x plus b, which is equal to x square. X is 100 here, so 100 whole square plus a plus b. Here a is negative, minus 5, even b also negative, minus 4. So use curly bracket inside minus 5 plus minus 4. So use the bracket properly in this part. Into 100, that's your x plus ab. A is minus 5, b is minus 4. 100 square is 10,000. Here inside the curly bracket minus 5 plus minus minus 4 into 100. This multiplication minus minus plus 5 4s are 20. So 10,000, this is minus 9 because both minus means plus but sign is minus into 100 plus 20. 10,000, this multiplication is minus 900 plus 20. You can add these two first, then subtract. Yeah, first subtraction, then addition, doesn't matter. Get your answer 9120. Only one thing, direct multiplication is not possible. I hope you can understand. Third one, 104 into 96. Let us break by 100. 100 plus 4, 104. Then 96 also we should break by 100 only. That will be 100 minus 4. So this time it just looks like a plus b into a minus b model. So formula a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A is 100, so 100 full bracket and whole square minus 4 square. 100 square is 10,000 minus 16. After subtraction you are getting 9984. Now let us start question number 3. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. Identities means formula. Question number 1. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. First one square number, last one also square number, middle is mixed. The formula a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 9x square, you can make it 3x full bracket and whole square. Because whatever number you have as a coefficient, that should be perfect square number, and you know that 9 is 3 square. So both together you can make it 3x full bracket and whole square. Then put it plus. This one you can fill after. First you finish up this last part. Plus, this is y whole square. So this is acting as a inside the bracket, whatever you have, one is a and this is your b. So middle you are going to write 2ab. A is 3x, b is y. So 2 into a into b, 2 into 3x into y. If you will multiply this, you will get back this one only. So we are comparing this question with right side of the formula, so that left side will come back. A square plus 2ab plus b square makes a plus b whole square. A is 3x, b is y. Together you can make it whole square. Now second one. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Since this sign is minus, so best formula will be a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then as it is, first one you make it 2y bracket and whole square, that is acting as a square, minus this one you can fill after some time. First you make this one as a 1 square, so plus b square. A square done, b square done. These two you should make it first. Then middle one you write 2ab. 2 into a is 2y, b is 1. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, which will give you a minus b full bracket and whole square. Third one, x square minus y square by 100. This one we can make it x complete bracket and whole square. This one you can make it y by 10 bracket and whole square. So both are square, middle is minus. Best formula is this one. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This is your a, this is your b. Both are square, middle is minus. So a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. X plus y by 10, x minus y by 10. That is the answer to this. Now we will start question number 4. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. Number 1. We are going to expand x plus 2y plus 4z bracket and whole square. Inside the bracket 3 terms are available. So best formula is this: a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is your formula. Now in this question, your a is x, b is 2y, c is 4z. If negative sign is there also, take care. A is x, b is 2y, c is 4z. Better you can note it outside, side by side. Just indicate who is your a, who is your b, who is your c. If negative is there, means take care. Now recollect the formula. A square, a is x, so x full bracket and whole square, plus b square, b is 2y whole square, c square, that is 4z whole square, plus 2ab, 2 into x into 2y, plus 2bc, 2 into 2y into 4z, plus 2ca, 2 into 4z into x. Since you have already collected ax, b2y, c4z, according to that, think about the formula and set this one properly, because you are going to expand. So x square, first one, this one 2 square makes 4, y square left over. This one 4 square is 16, z square left. This one you are going to multiply. 2 to the 4 xy, 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16 yz, 2 4 the 8 zx. That is your first answer. Expansion done. Question number 4. Every question you can do by this way. Now let us follow this second one. 2x minus y plus z bracket and whole square. A is 2x. Select outside. B is minus y. C is z. So let us make it a square. A is 2x bracket and whole square plus b square. B is minus y bracket and whole square plus c square, that is z square, z whole square, plus, according to formula you need 2ab, so 2 into 2x into minus y plus 2 into minus y into z, that is 2bc, plus 2ca, 2 into z into 2x. 2x whole square will give you 4x square, minus square is plus, so y square, this is z square, plus minus minus 4xy, plus minus minus 2yz, plus 2 to the 4 zx. If you can follow me, you can solve any kinds of question related to this formula. So formula we are using a plus b plus c whole square, which is equal to, I am showing you again, a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now, question number 3. Minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z bracket and whole square. Here also you can select a is minus 2x, b is 3y, c is 2z. So make it a square, that is minus 2x whole square, plus b square, that is 3y whole square, plus c square, that is 2z whole square. Let us write after this plus 2ab, a is minus 2x, b is 3y, plus 2bc, 2 into 3y into 2z, plus 2ca, 2 into 2z into minus 2x. Minus square is plus, 2 square 4x square, this is 9y square, this is 4z square, this multiplication minus 12xy, this is 2 3 the 6 to the 12yz, plus minus minus 8zx. I hope you can do this. Number 4, also same way you will be completing. 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. Select a, 3a, b is minus 7b, c is minus c. Then a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into a is 3a, b is minus 7b, plus 2bc, 2 into minus 7b into minus c, plus 2ca. After calculation, you will get this result. Take care of plus minus. And whenever minus square is coming, it will be plus only. One more I am showing. Question number 5. Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z, full bracket and whole square. A is minus 2x, b is 5y, c is minus 3z. Same, a square, that is minus 2x whole square, plus b square, that is 5y whole square, plus c square, that is minus 3z whole square, plus 2 into a is minus 2x, b is 5y, plus 2bc, plus 2ca. Now multiply, calculate, get your answer. With this, I will conclude today. Bye.